Greetings everyone, and welcome again to the College Readiness Math MOOC. I'm Jennifer Koziak, one of your course instructors for the Math MOOC. In this tutorial, we're going to be looking at the components of each of the learning objects. And remember, the learning objects are housed within the subtopics of each module. Since we're still on Module 1, I'm going to open up one of the learning objects. I'm going to select, in this case, the ratio link. And remember, when I select it, it's going to give me the mini lecture and the notes, and in order to give me a full view of what that subtopic is about. As I scroll down, I'm going to have access to the 3 learning objects that are associated with ratios. If I select the first one, Proportional Relationships 1, I'm now going to be at the learning object level. And again, the learning object is a well-designed problem that's going to give you some idea of what the topic is all about. As I read through it, I might want to work on it and try to solve it. And once I get to that point, I can select the answer in order to see if I'm correct. The other tabs I'm going to look at would include the More Information tab. That tab is going to give me what we would consider a textbook description on how to solve the problem. If I'm successful at solving the problem, I might want to check out the Self-Check tab, which are going to give me anywhere from 2 to 4 problems and their answers in order to work on it. If I get back to the Problem tab and I'm having difficulty with solving the task, I can click the Chalk Talk tab, which again is just a video podcast of someone walking you through step by step.
A recipe calls for 3 cups flour for every 2 cups of milk.
And what I can do is I can scroll through and watch the podcast happen and then select it and let it play again.
The amount of
So again, I can fast forward and rewind as much as I want through that Chalk Talk. Now there's other items. In this case, this one has what we call a Khan link, and that links out to the Khan Academy, which is another problem that's related to it, in this case with ratios and proportional relationships. Other components of the learning object is here along Rate, Comment, and Submit a Question. If I select that tab, it will allow me to rate the learning object, the concept covered. It also will allow me to enter a question, a suggestion, or a comment. And if I would like a response back to that question or comment, I can submit my email and select, yes, I would like a response. So again, that walks you through the learning objects.